I'm not going to BS you. The only thing that got my hair to transform from this to this is using DIY recipes that are nutrient dense, that keep my hair deeply moisturized and help me retain as much length as possible. I've already posted multiple of the recipes that help me grow my hair healthy and long and super quickly on the channel. Just pick one of these to add to your routine and stick to them. But I have to let you know that these recipes aren't all I have to offer and aren't the only things that help me finally crack hip length. I grew my hair 1.5 inches in a month because of my exclusive recipes and routines, which helped me reach hip length faster than I thought was possible. And if you want those recipes, now is the best time to get them. My Growth Training 101 guide is on sale at the lowest it literally has ever been in light of what's happening in the economy and because it's the 1-year anniversary of the Growth Training Guide. So because I actually care about you reaching your hair goals and unlocking the hair of your dreams with my Growth Training 101 routine, you can shop it right now for 95% off. Yes, 95% off. And I'm not kidding. If you don't get it at this price before Wednesday, April 9th, 2025, you will not be able to get it at this price again for a very, 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 very long time. And if that doesn't convince you to shop it, look at all these testimonies of people who have bought it and begun implementing the routines. They are crying literal tears of joy because of how much their hair has taken off after using these routines. When's the last time you cried because you finally achieved something you've been working at for years and that you thought wouldn't be possible for you? This is what you could have too, an answer to your natural hair problems and the fulfillment of your natural hair goals. So if you want to join those lovelies, head to justforblackgirls.com/shop and shop the Growth Training 101 guide now while it is 95% off. And again, we are also doing this sale to celebrate the 1-year anniversary of the Growth Training 101 guide. We would love for you to join in the celebration, grab the Growth Training 101 guide, and set yourself on the path to unlocking longer, healthier, thicker, and stronger natural hair. This is one of the literal lowest prices the Growth Training Guide has ever been sold at. Why skip this opportunity to put yourself on the path to unlocking the hair of your dreams for a fraction of what it typically costs? Send yourself into 2026 with longer, healthier, thicker, and stronger natural hair at a faster rate. Who knows where your hair will be by December or January 1st? With these recipes and routines, they have literally helped me grow my hair so long, so thick, so healthy, and so fast. I honestly don't even know what to do with my hair at this point. So if you also want to unlock longer, healthier, thicker, and stronger natural hair at a faster rate, head to justforblackgirls.com/shop and shop the Growth Training 101 guide. All we want is for you to achieve your natural hair goals. And again, you can always use the videos that are already on the channel if you don't have the money for it right now. But if you do, head to justforblackgirls.com/shop. Invest in yourself, invest in your natural hair, and put yourself on the path to unlocking the natural hair of your dreams today. For videos that tell you exactly everything you need to know to take care of your natural hair with what you already have, make sure you go to this video that's already up on the channel where I go through the most commonly asked natural hair questions and solve the most common natural hair problems so you can know exactly what you need to do to grow longer, healthier, thicker, and stronger natural hair at home. We love you, lovelies. Have a great day, and until next time, bye.